Navya. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Pandu. Jara ada jidam, adi go na, adi go itla, దగ్గర పోతే, అవునండి.
Now we are coming to the philosophical part. Please complete silence just for. Now we need silence for 45 minutes. And for the ones of you who cannot keep silence, like this little one, then we have a children room in the other house over there. Mothers are requested to go with a little child there. And we can also be on the front lawn. It is the weather, there is a tent there. So now we will listen to Chaitanya Chandra, who is speaking about Krishna's pastimes, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, for 45 minutes till 8:15. And then children and everybody else can come in again, and then we will all bake the deities, both old and young. So it is not to discriminate, but it's just that what little child wants to sit and listen to a philosophical discourse. So kindly have mercy on your child and do something that he or she likes, and go over in the children's room, one of the parents.
Can you tell to go forward because
And everybody, like Martha is saying, people are coming in more and more. So everybody should move as close to the speaker as
ఒక్కసారి దాన్ని ఇలా దగ్గర ఇద్దాం. नमस्कार, आप नेपाल से हो इंडिया से? आप नेपाल से इंडिया से? इंडिया से आप भी? हाँ, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ से नेपाल से, इसलिए पूछा था. हम लोग हैदराबाद से. आप कहाँ से? मुंबई से. हम हैदराबाद से. बड़ी खुशी आपसे मिलके. ఒక్క నిమిషం. Navya, Amlu, Amlu. कर रहे हैं. ప్రసాదం తీసుకొని బాగుందా